Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect Bluehost email to Gmail. Firstly, open your browser and go to your Gmail. Log in with your Gmail credentials. In there, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Gmail inbox. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accounts and Import tab. Scroll down to the Check Mail from Other Accounts section and click on Add a Mail Account. A pop-up window will appear. In the field labeled email address, enter the full email address associated with your Bluehost account, then click Next. Now enter the username for the email account. This is usually the full email address. Then enter the password for your Bluehost email account. Now, you need to configure POP server settings. POP server settings are important for receiving your email. You'll need to select whether to use a secure SSL connection or not. Now, log into your Bluehost control panel. On the left side, go to the Stats section. If the Expand Status link is visible, click on it to reveal the host name. Now, Gmail will offer additional settings for your incoming email. Leave a copy of the retrieved messages on the server, or you can also select other options as per your preference. Once you've configured the settings, click on the Add Account button. Your Gmail will now start receiving emails from your Bluehost account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.